Hello and welcome to this first overview lecture in this new course, Data Analysis and Data Analytics. So in this section, we will help you get an overview of the data analysis and data analytics. And in this lecture, we will talk about what is data analysis, what is data analytics, and how are they related or how are they different. So let's take a look at that. Sure. So what do you think? What is data analysis and what is data analytics? What's your understanding? So, both data analysis and data analytics are crucial concepts in the world of data-driven decision making, but they are slightly different in their approach and their purpose. And we will take a look at that difference and what are the commonalities. So let's look at the definition of data analysis. Data analysis is the process of examining, cleaning, transforming, and interpreting data to discover useful information, draw conclusions, and support decision making. So it is that process where you look, get the data, examine, clean, transform, and interpret data, and then you make some conclusions based on that that supports your decision making. So that is data analysis. Now, the focus of data analysis is on understanding what happened in the past. You look back and say, what happened there, right? And the kind of techniques that you use in data analysis are like descriptive statistics, data visualization, and pattern identification. For example, analyzing sales data, past sales data, to understand which products performed best in the last quarter is an example of a data analysis. So we're looking at the past, which is last quarter, and then we are analyzing the data, we are getting the data to figure out what products perform. So it's understanding of the past data of what happened in the past. So that is data analysis. On the other side, what is data analytics? Now, in terms of its definition, it's a concept that is broader in terms of versus the data analysis, and it involves using analytical tools, to forecast trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. So it's a broader concept. While the data analysis is focused on examining, cleaning, performing, transforming the past data to understand and draw conclusions to support decision making, the data analytics talks about using analytical tools to forecast trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. So one where you make these decisions, and second is you support decision based on the past data. Right. So what is the focus here in data analytics? So there are two things that you look at in data analytics. First is why it happened and what will happen next. So whatever happened in the past, once you have done the analysis, then you understand and see why did it happen and what will happen in the future, what will happen next. And hence the kind of techniques that I use are predictive modeling, where you use that data to predict in future what is going to happen, and you use machine learning to do that, and you mine data to make those predictive models. Example, you know, if you use customer purchase data to predict future buying behavior, you have a set of customers. Now you want to decide based on the past data who's going to buy what in future using the past data, and then you make some recommendations based on personalization of those products. That is a good example of data analytics, right? Get an idea? So it's all about, making use of the past data to understand why it happened and what will happen next. And in that, you're future focused and you're doing predictions. The key differences, if I were to summarize here for you, in data analysis, the focus, as we saw, is past trends and patterns, whereas in data analytics is the future prediction and insights. Why it happened, what happened in the past, why did it happen, and how is it going to unfold in future. The techniques in data analysis, as you see, are statistical analysis, data visualization. Whereas in data analytics, you start using more advanced techniques like machine learning and predictive modeling. And the goal of data analysis is to understand and describe data. Whereas in data analytics is to make an optimal decision based on predictions of the future and decide a strategy. So those are the key differences between data analysis and data analytics. So what do we do next? So having understood what is data analysis and data analytics and how they are different from each other, we will look at two related concepts. One is of business analytics and second of data science. So how are data analysis and data analytics as a whole are different from business analytics and data science? That's what we will discuss in the next lecture. So thank you so much for watching this first overview lecture in this course of data analysis and analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.